Rock is the name of success in American history of wrestling and Hollywood. This name has been given to Mr. Dwayne Douglas Johnson because of his excellent contribution to the game. He believes that consistent hard work gains success only in life. Be humble. Be hungry. And always be the hardest worker in the room. All success begins with self-discipline. It starts with you. When you walk up to opportunity's door, don't knock it. Kick that bitch in, smile and introduce yourself. Wake up determined. Go to bed satisfied. Success isn't always about greatness. It's about consistency. Consistent hard work gains success. Greatness will come. You don't need directions, just point yourself to the top and go. I've never gone wrong trusting my gut. I like to use the hard times in the past to motivate me today. If he was living in fear, he would have relayed that message. My goal was never to be the loudest or the craziest, it was to be the most entertaining. Success isn't overnight. It's when every day you get a little better than the day before. It all adds up. It's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. The first step to achieving your goal is to take a moment to respect your goal. Know what it means to you to achieve it. Blood, sweat, and respect, first two you give, last one you earn. There are hidden blessings in every struggle.